Good day guys, Victor here. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm knocking down a few little projects here, and one of them is going to be this winch. And yes, I already removed the old wire. It's frayed, it's rusty, and I don't trust it anymore, so it's going in the bin. And I'm going to buy a brand new one. I'm going to put the new one I got from a friend, and then I refurbished it. And then I'm going to take this one, refurbish it, and put it on my truck, because my bumper has a place for a winch, so that's where it's going to be going. Anti-seize on the boat, because no anti-seize means broken when you try to take it off. Like the first one I removed on the old winch. So here it is installed and working in case I need it, but I still need to do some modifications because this is not my my build. This is a trailer that I bought like this, and it has no such mount like this to guide the wire. What happens if I pull at an angle, which is most of the cars these days, they have the hookup point on the side here, and what happens is the wire rubs into the side of the plate here and slowly grinds it off. So I'm gonna put them out here. I'm gonna make a frame to hold it, very strong frame, and I'm also gonna invest in a pulley so that I can direct the wire to the center before it grinds against the side. Although this should be fine because the wire is gonna roll on these rollers here, and instead of the side of the winch. But for now, I'm happy that it's on there. The clutch works fine. I cleaned up everything in there. Did not post any did not take any videos. I just wanted to get this thing done, and I'm gonna make a video tearing apart the whole one and inspect it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.